Welcome, today I am with Motorola Moto G60S and I'll show you how you can apply tempered glass on display in this phone. So the first you have to remember about the good lighting condition to see a very mess that you have on your display, like in my case, so we can spot here fingerprints, greasy marks and also few pieces of the dust. The next step, we have to simply open the box with the tempered glass. And inside you will find two wipes. We are going to start from the wet one, so we have to simply open it. And unfortunately this one comes dry, so we can use window cleaner for example. So apply it a little bit on this wipe, and right now we are able to clean the screen to remove all of this mess. After a few simple moves, our screen will be in a good condition. As you can see right now, it looks definitely better. So we have to open the dry wipe. And we have to remove all of these wet marks after the wet cleaning. So just do the same. Okay, and right now if you have any piece of the dust on your screen, you have to grab this wipe and swipe to the one direction to remove it. So I'm gonna swipe from the top section of the screen to the bottom. Okay, and right now the next step, we have to grab this tempered glass and we have to focus on this sticker. So when we try to remove it gently, it will come with this foil that is attached right here. But sometimes this sticker is not following with the foil, so we have to remove this foil manually by using your fingernail, and you have to put it underneath this foil. So take a look, you have to start from left or the right corner. For example, I'm gonna start from the left one and just remove it with your fingernail. And as you can see right now, we can remove it easy. Right now you have to hold this glass like that in your four fingers, at the top, at the bottom, and we are going to start from the top section. So we have to keep holding the bottom part and put the top section of the tempered glass on the display. Right now we can light up the screen by tapping on the power button, and you have to put it evenly for the both edges, as you can see, like in my case. So when you are sure that everything is fine, you can finally put your finger right here in the middle, and then you can put the bottom part on your display. And take a look right now. As you can see, it goes almost automatically, so we don't even have to press on the screen, but of course we can to make it faster. And right now we have to grab this dry wipe and remove the glue marks that we can find under the glass. So just simply press on them. If they are still here, don't worry, they will disappear after a few days. So you have to just simply get used to them and they will disappear, don't worry about that. And right now it's finished. Oh, maybe I have to remove this top section after this sticker. Take a look. As you can see, it disappears. And right now I'm able to turn on the screen and take a look, there's no any problem with the touch interaction. So honestly, you don't have to be afraid of applying this kind of protection on your Motorola Moto G60S. Everything works fine. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.